I just released this video that gave 7 steps on what to do if you are just coming out of a bad relationship and you are trying to heal. The first one had to do with allowing yourself time to go through the emotions and to heal from what just happened. This is a very important part of the process. Don't fake this part. Don't rush through it just to appear strong. Healing doesn't take place when you fake it. Healing takes place when you are able to acknowledge what you just went through. It's okay to be angry. It's okay to be disappointed. It's okay to be frustrated. It's okay to cry because you put so much emotion, so much of your time, energy, and resources, and even a part of yourself into that relationship. It's okay to go through this range of emotions that you go through. I remember many years ago, I've been transparent and that I went through a divorce some time ago. And that situation devastated me. And I remember that everything after the divorce, it made me emotional. I see another couple, I get emotional. I watch a TV show, I get emotional. I smell something, I get emotional. I remember one time in particular when I went to a local store. It was my first time where I went grocery shopping by myself. That was extremely tough. I had to actually go into a dressing room, left my cart, and I became so emotional that I was just overwhelmed with tears. And I think I sat in that room for about 15, 20 minutes or so until I was able to get myself together. So grieving is a normal part of the process. It's okay to grieve. It's okay to journal during this time. But for me, most importantly, talking to God was by far the best place for me to go. No one listens like God, and no one listens without judgment, so to speak, like God does. And no one gives you better advice as to handle a situation and how to comfort you and protect you and to soothe the wounds that you have better than God himself. I encourage everyone to do that. Grieving, going through this range of emotion, it's normal. And grieving is not bad because what grieving does, it allows you to clear out space for you to grow into something better than before. If you skip this process, anything that you're holding on to, anything that's troubling you, if you don't grieve, if you don't allow yourself to go through this process, it will show up in the future somehow, some way. Don't skip this process. It is okay to grieve and it's okay to heal, and it takes time, as difficult as it may be. Don't give up. Make sure you're moving forward day by day, no matter how hard it is, and it will make a big difference in your life.
Oh, I'm just here to check on you. Are you okay? Describe it in words, you know what to say.